Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create different types of shapes in MS Word. So let's start it. So here I have some shape. I just remove them. We add them from insert menu and then give fill and stroke color. So click on insert menu and then click on shapes. So at first I insert the emoji here and then also donut, rectangular shape, arrow, triangle. So if you need any kind of shapes which is available here, you just need to just click on the shape and then just draw it. Then you see that in your document. Now our task is to give fill color and stroke color to the shape. So just select the shapes, go to format, shape fill and apply fill color here. Select the shape, apply fill color, select the shape and apply fill color here. That is very easy option, give fill color to a object. So here by default we see that some stroke color available as well. We update them as well. At first we need to complete the fill color task. Okay, now we have some shapes and all of the shape have fill and stroke color as well. So if I want to update the stroke color, so just need to click on the format option and shape outline, and from here I just change the outline color and also increase the outline size as well. Okay, here I also see that black color outline. I update the outline size first and then give a color for the outline. Okay, so here is the method insert shape in MS Word. You are able to insert your shape, able to fill color, able to give outline color, and also able to increase or decrease the outline size as well. Thank you.